Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. I am V. Today's eye look is a collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. We post every second Wednesday of the month. If you would like to join us, please DM Aged Graceful Michelle on Instagram. She will give you all the information you need to join us, lovely ladies, every second Wednesday of the month. The look I am creating today is for Breast Cancer Prevention Month, which is February. And the color for the Breast Cancer Prevention Month is lavender. So I am using a black owned palette because it is also Black History Month. And I will show you which palette in the end. So I'm using lavender for that look. The theme for this collab is I am, I will. It is, we need to feel invincible while looking for a cure for cancer. The people who have the cancer and how to care for them. So this look is in support of all of that. National Prevention Month for cancer is February. The color for that prevention month is lavender. My first color is a matte color and I'm using it all over the eyes. The Power of Love card for today is humility. Couldn't pick a better card for this collab and for this cause. Humility. It says, you have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. Humility. I'm using this green over in the outer corner because in February it is gallbladder and bile duct cancer month. And the ribbon for gallbladder and bile duct cancer is green. So I'm putting a little green right here in the outer corner for that cancer awareness. Lavender ribbon is usually a sign of support of the living with all types of cancer. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And this is my Keeping It Real Fun collab Cancer Prevention Awareness Month look. Please go check out all the ladies. Their information is in my description box. Check them out. Give them a like. Give them a comment. We love when you come out to support us. And I'm saying, go out there and live life. Live it the best way possible. And I will see you soon. Bye.